Tired of seeing content on your For You page that just doesn't vibe with you anymore? I'm here to show you how to unfollow people on TikTok, so you can take control and curate your own awesome feed. First, open up the TikTok app, then tap on the profile icon located in the bottom right corner of your screen. This will take you to your personal profile page. Next, look for the following button, usually displayed right under your profile picture and bio. Tap on this button. This will bring up a list of all the accounts you are currently following. Alright, now you'll see a scrollable list of everyone you're following. Take a moment to browse through it. You can scroll up or down to find the account you want to unfollow. Once you find the profile you want to unfollow, tap on their profile picture or username to go to their profile page. On their profile page, you'll see a button that says following with a little check mark. This indicates that you are currently following them. Now, here's the magic. Tap on that following button. The button will change to follow, which means you've successfully unfollowed them. They will no longer appear in your For You feed. You can repeat these steps for anyone else you want to unfollow. Don't worry. Unfollowing someone is completely private, and they won't be notified. And that's it. You've successfully unfollowed someone on TikTok. Now you can start enjoying a more personalized and engaging For You page. Happy scrolling.